In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snap to grid in PowerPoint, making it easier than ever to arrange your content precisely. Whether you're preparing a sleek business presentation or crafting an engaging slideshow, the Snap to Grid feature is an essential tool to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Let's dive right in. To start, open Microsoft PowerPoint from your computer. If you're accessing it from the taskbar or through your Start menu, you'll be up and running in no time. Once PowerPoint is open, the next step is either to open an existing presentation that you'd like to modify or create a brand new one. Feel free to add any photos, tables, or other content you plan to use in your slides. Having your content ready will help you understand how the grid can assist in aligning different elements, just so. Once your presentation has been loaded or created, direct your attention to the top of your PowerPoint window where you'll find the ribbon, a collection of tabs with various tools. You want to click on the View tab. This tab contains all the options you need for how you view and interact with your slides. Now, within the View tab, you'll want to focus on the Show group. This is where PowerPoint gives you access to essential controls that help with visual guidance, like grids. Look for a small arrow in the bottom right corner of this group. This is known as the dialog box launcher. It might be small, but it packs a punch in terms of functionality. Clicking this arrow will unveil more detailed options for grids and guides. Upon clicking, a dialog box named Grid and Guides will appear. Here, you'll want to focus on a particular setting. Snap objects to grid. Make sure this option is checked. What this does is ensure that whenever you move objects around on your slide, they will automatically align to the nearest grid point. This step is crucial because it guarantees your content will maintain orderly spacing and precise alignment. Once you've checked this box, click OK to confirm your settings. With the Snap to Grid feature now enabled, you've set up PowerPoint to assist you with aligning all slide elements efficiently. From this point onward, when you drag a photo, text box, or any object, it will automatically align itself to the closest grid point. This can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're aiming for a clean, professional look on your slides. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to ensure precision using the Snap to Grid feature in PowerPoint. Employing this method means you can spend less time tweaking alignments manually and more time focusing on the content delivery of your presentation. Happy presenting!